Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Online. In this class, we are going to discuss two long answers, chlorine preparation, chemical reactions. First one, preparation of chlorine by laboratory method and its chemical reactions. Next one, preparation of chlorine by electrolytic method and its chemical reactions. These two are very important for 8 marks. So we are going to discuss in this class. So first one, we are going to discuss preparation of chlorine by laboratory method and its chemical reactions. See question number 41. It is question number 41 in your material. See question number 41. This is preparation of chlorine by laboratory method. Okay. So how preparation of chlorine by laboratory method means? See first one, chlorine we have to prepare. So here we have to take MnO2 and adding HCl. MnO2 is nothing but a manganese dioxide reacts with a HCl, which gives rise to MnCl2 plus Cl2, MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. Okay. So here MnO2 reacts with HCl, gives rise to MnCl2 plus Cl2. So here if you take 4, if you take 2, then it is balanced. Manganese chloride, chlorine plus H2O is formed. It is manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide. Okay. It is nothing but a chlorine. It is a manganese chloride. It is a chlorine gas. Okay, this is the first method. And second method, same MnO2 plus H2SO4 plus NaCl. We are adding NaCl. Sodium chloride. See MnO2 manganese dioxide, sulfuric acid plus NaCl. So here first your chlorine gas is evolved, then NaHSO4 plus next MnCl2 plus H2O is formed. So if you take 4 NaCl, then if you take 4 NaHSO4, 4 Na balanced, 4 Cl, Cl2, Cl2 balanced. So 4 hydrogens. Next here if you take 2, then if you take 4 hydrogens, 4 2s are 8, 4 hydrogens, 2 2s are 4 balanced. Then how many? 4 4s are 8 plus 2, 10. Then see here 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2 18, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18 balanced. Here it is nothing but a chlorine gas is evolved. It is a sodium bisulfate. Sodium bisulfate is formed. These two preparations. Next we have to know chemical reactions. Okay. So first one iron. So here reaction with first one reaction with iron. Okay, iron is nothing but Fe. See here, Cl2 reacts with iron, gives rise to FeCl3. Ferric chloride is formed. Ferric chloride is formed. So for balancing, if you take 2, if you take 3, then that is balanced. Okay. The next reaction with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide. See, reaction with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide. Okay, so it is important reaction. We will discuss next question also. See here, we are taking Cl2 reacts with the sodium hydroxide, hot and concentrated. Then what happened means NaCl plus NaClO3 plus H2O is formed. It is sodium hydroxide, it is sodium chloride, it is sodium chlorate. Sodium chlorate. Okay, it is a sodium chlorate. For balancing, here I am taking 5, here I am taking 6. 5Na plus Na, 6Na. 6 oxygens, if you take 3, 6 oxygens, 6 hydrogens. How many chlorines? 6 chlorines. If you take 3, balanced. Okay, it is a second chemical reaction. Then third one, acidified FeSO4 reaction with acidified FeSO4. Okay, see here, first chlorine reacts with acid plus FeSO4. Okay, because it is acidified FeSO4. FeSO4 means ferrous sulfate. See here, Fe2SO4 taken thrice is formed plus 2HCl is evolved. It is a ferrous sulfate. It is a ferrous sulfate. Okay, it is a ferric sulfate. Ferric sulfate. Okay, ferrous sulfate and ferric sulfate. Balance it. If you take 2, then Fe, 2Fe, Fe2. SO4, S2SO4, SO4 taken thrice, then it is a balanced. So next iodine reaction with iodine. Reaction with I2. Okay. Then here Cl2 reacts with moisture iodine, which gives rise to HiO3 plus HCl. Okay, balance this. If you take then so 10 Cl, 10 hydrogens plus if you take 6, then it is a balance. It is iodine. It is a iodine which forms iodic acid, iodic acid, iodic acid is formed. Okay, so here chlorine reacts with iodine to form iodic acid, which produce hydrochloric acid. So next one reaction with H2S, reaction with H2S. Okay, see here, Cl2 reacts with H2S, gives rise to, it's very easy reaction, 2HCl plus S, 2HCl plus S. Chlorine reacts with hydrogen sulfide, it is hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen sulfide to sulfur, hydrogen sulfide to sulfur. Okay, next reaction with hypo, next reaction with hypo means Na2S2O3, reaction with hypo. See here, Cl2 reacts with Na2S2O3 plus H2O. In presence of H2O, it gives rise to Na2SO4 plus sulfur plus 2HCl. See here, Na2SO3 plus O4, sulfur deposited and 2HCl is formed. It is a sodium thiosulfate. Hypo is also called sodium thiosulfate. It is sodium sulfate. This is a sodium sulfate. Okay, it is sodium sulfate, it is sodium thiosulfate. So this is preparation of chlorine by laboratory method and chemical reactions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 reactions for 2 marks, 6 chemical reactions for 6 marks. Total 8 marks question. So this is briefly preparation of Cl2 by laboratory method. It is very important. It is very important for 8 marks. Very important question it is. Okay. So this is briefly preparation of chlorine by laboratory method. Next we are going to discuss electrolytic method. Okay. Next, question number 43. Next, question number 43. Preparation of chlorine by electrolytic method. Preparation of chlorine by electrolytic method. Electrolytic method. See here how chlorine is prepared in electrolytic method means we have to take an electrolyte which is called sodium chloride. On passing electricity, it can be divided into its ions. So positive ions attracted towards cathode, negative ions attracted towards anode. Then at anode chlorine is formed, and at cathode sodium hydroxide plus H2 gas is evolved. See here electrolyte is NaCl. It is a brain solution. Brain solution means important solution. Okay. Next, ionization. When passing electricity through the NaCl solution, it can be divided into 2 NaCl gives rise to 2 Na plus 2 Cl minus. So positive ions are attracted towards cathode, negative ions are attracted towards anode. So here anode reaction. So 2Cl minus gives rise to Cl2 gas plus 2 electrons evolve. Cl2 gas is formed at anode. It is a oxidation reaction. It is a oxidation reaction. Next, at cathode, NaCl contains water. So first water can be divided. 2H2O, here losing electrons can be added, then gives rise to 2OH minus plus H2 gas. Okay. Then what happened means this 2Na plus 2OH minus reacts, 2Na plus 2OH minus reacts, 2 sodium hydroxide is formed. So here at a cathode H2 gas is evolved and sodium hydroxide is formed. Okay. So this is the preparation of chlorine by electrolytic method. Next, chemical reactions. Next, chemical reactions. Okay. See, first one, a reaction with sodium hydroxide. Reaction with the sodium hydroxide. Okay. See here, chlorine reacts with sodium hydroxide, hot and concentrated. Hot and concentrated. Then gives rise to what happened? NaCl is formed first. This reaction already discussed in previous question. NaCl, NaClO3 plus H2O is formed. For balancing, here you have to take 5, then here you have to take 3. It is a balance. Okay. Here you have to take a 3. So it is nothing but sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride, sodium chlorate is formed. It is hot and concentrated. In the same way, cold Cl2 reacts with the sodium hydroxide, cold and dilute. Okay. C gives rise to NaCl plus NaCl, NaOCl, NaOCl plus H2. It is a sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite. Okay. So it is a cold and dilute. It is a hot and concentrate under different conditions. Sodium hydroxide reacts with chlorine under different conditions. Okay. Then second one, reaction with NH3. Reaction with NH3. Okay. So first one, chlorine reacts with NH3. It is excess I am taking. It is excess. See here, NH3 reacts with Cl2, NH4Cl plus N2. If you take 6, if you take 8, then nitrogen gas is evolved. See here, it is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Okay. Then same Cl2 reacts with ammonia. Here chlorine is excess. Chlorine is excess. Here we are taking NH3 is excess, NH4Cl is formed. Chlorine is excess, NCl3 is formed. NCl3 plus H2 HCl is formed, plus HCl is formed. So balance this. If you take 3, then that is balance. It is nitrogen trichloride. Nitrogen trichloride. Okay. So this is preparation of chlorine by laboratory method and chemical reactions. It is very important for 8 marks. Out of these 2 questions you will get one for 8 marks. Okay. So you have to practice these chemical reactions and you have to balance this.